Hi, I'm Mark Thomas, and I'm Managing Director of Marketing and Communications for the National Shooting Sports Foundation. Now, if you haven't heard of that, you're probably not alone. NSSF is the trade association for the firearms and ammunition industry, and our sole mission is to promote, protect, and preserve hunting and the shooting sports. And one of the main funding that we have on this is the SHOT Show, which is the Shooting, Hunting, and Outdoor Trade Exposition. It is one of the largest shows in the world, in fact the 15th largest growing show, and we are the largest show for the firearms trade industry. Now this is a trade show, so we have people that come in on sports that are retailers, manufacturers, the press comes, and anybody that's in the firearms and ammunition outdoor industry. To show you kind of how big it is, it can only be held in two places in the United States, and that's Orlando and Las Vegas, because we have over 60,000 people from the outdoor industry that come. Our industry is $4.1 billion, and so we are represented by 100 countries in every state at every level. We're extremely proud of this. It grows every year, and it's something that we really need, because it is our major funding, and what we do with those funds then are to go out and we lobby for the industry. We also then have recruitment and retention to get more people that go into the outdoor hunting and shooting, so we help with access. We also support youth and other type of industry programs to get more people that can hunt and shoot. So it's 4 days, it is a large show, there's 1,600 exhibitors, and it just takes an entire Sands Exposition Center to go through it. Everybody's tired but a lot happier after that, and it's one of those things that's just too good to miss no matter what level or what position you are in the shooting or hunting industry.